Good afternoon, I'm Tom Tripoli and welcome to episode 12 as we continue to show you the progress on the golf house as well as the niblick. Today I'm standing on your recently renovated outside terrace, which is just outside of your main dining room of the golf house. It's complete. We have a beautiful awning which is rated to 170 mile an hour wind. We got excellent sound speakers for you to enjoy background music, beautiful tile work, excellent lighting, and of course, breathtaking furnishings for you to enjoy. However, the rest of this message isn't about the golf house. It's all about the niblick. I'm now standing just adjacent to the number 10 tee box on the cart path, and you can see behind me the extensive amount of work that has been done since the last time I reported to you. You very clearly can see what used to be the niblick and what will be the niblick. Recently, all the stairs have been poured with the concrete. This is tension concrete and it requires an aging process which we've now completed. I'll now take you inside the bottom level and then we'll finish upstairs on the level on the progress being made. Let's take a look. I'm now standing on the bottom level and I actually have 1 foot in the old niblick, but more importantly I have the other step on what the niblick will be. You'll see the separation that'll begin to take place, areas in which a service bar downstairs is being outlined, where storage is going to be, where the downstairs kitchen is, of course bathrooms are going to be. You'll be able to see all of that as it takes shape. I'm now standing at where the new halfway house will be. So in between your rounds of golf, right off of number 9, right off of number 18, and of course on your way to number 10, the cart path will come right along here, and this is where you'll be able to get your mid-round snacks, your mid-round sandwiches, and any type of beverages, including adult beverages, that will certainly assist you during that round of golf. We are now upstairs in the niblick. To my right is the existing niblick. I'm standing at the expanded area, which is actually doubling the size of what our existing niblick was. The main thing to point out right now is, within the next 2 weeks, our entire structural envelope will be completed. That means that our trusses will be in place, extending the roof line out, and then 100% of focus will now be on the interior work as well as some of the outer work. However, structurally, we'll now have that behind us, which is really quite an accomplishment. Well, welcome. Welcome to each and every one of you. I'm standing in the semicircular viewing area, what we call kind of the overlook tower, if you so to speak, where you are able to enjoy the expansive view of number 10, number 18, of course our water feature, and to the right, number 9. Make no mistake, the niblick is an incredibly special place, but up here, it is all about the view. This would be a good time for me to compliment Chris Myers and his team for really doing an excellent job of taking what you, the members, wanted to see here and actually bringing it to life. So what was conceptual, which was a rendering, which was drawings, is now here in reality, and we are getting closer. Well, that's it for episode 12. The next time I come to you regarding the niblick, I totally expect there to be trusses up, the roof down, as we continue to make our progress.